If you've been in a relationship that has left you second guessing everything, perhaps you're second guessing your own instincts, your worth, your voice, I want to say you're not alone. And you may only have recently realized that what you went through wasn't just a hard relationship, it was actually emotional abuse. You're carrying these invisible wounds that no one else sees. And you may even find yourself stuck in cycles of overthinking, maybe feelings of guilt or shame, or wondering, why am I still affected? And you want to move on, but you're not sure how. And most of all, what you really want is to feel like yourself again. You want to feel connected to yourself, but then you ask, where do I even begin? And I want to say that there is a path forward, and you don't have to walk it alone. The Finding Freedom group that I have created is a 3-month group coaching program, and it is specifically designed for women who are recovering from narcissistic and emotionally abusive relationships. It's a safe, trauma-informed space to help you move from awareness to clarity to empowered action. It's the space that I created where you can start to rebuild your sense of home after you've been through one of the toughest storms. You need to clear out the debris, understand what was damaged, rebuild boundaries, and lay a foundation based on your core values, not someone else's control of you. And that's what we're going to do together in the 3-month group coaching program. This group is for you if you are just starting to understand what emotional abuse even looks like. Or perhaps you get it and you're exploring, do I want to leave or do I want to stay? Maybe you're exploring how to leave, or maybe you have left and you're actively rebuilding your life and your self-trust. But no matter where you are on that journey, you are absolutely welcome into the group. Over the 3 months, we're going to have 6 healing phases together. Every other week, we're going to meet for 90 minutes. It's going to have structured group coaching rooted in compassion, clarity, and growth, as well as spot coaching available. You'll also learn how to understand what emotional abuse is and its effects on your mind, your identity, and your body, because the truth is our body holds on to this trauma. We're going to learn how to release trauma bonds and reclaim your emotional independence, set clear, grounded boundaries that are in your values, and we're going to help you reconnect to who you truly are so you can build that self-trust and you can start making your own confident, autonomous decisions moving forward. And we're going to create a clear action plan for your continued healing and freedom. The goal is that you're going to leave with not just tools, but you're going to leave with clarity and a renewed sense of self and connection to self. What most women say after working together is that they finally feel like themselves again. And more importantly, they finally trust who she is. This isn't just support, it's forward movement. It's forward movement with community, with coaching, with structure, and most importantly, with you in the driver's seat. I'm Kamini, and I'll be your coach and guide throughout the program. I personally have years of my own experience helping women through trauma, through building resilience, and I blend a structured coaching with a deep understanding of self and self-compassion. It's not therapy, it's coaching. It's a container designed for women who are ready to heal and ready to grow beyond the relationship. They're ready to get back into their own power and reclaim who they truly are. I specialize in working with women who are recovering from narcissistic and emotionally abusive relationships, whether it be familial, personal relationship, or workplace or friendship. And the goal is to create an emotionally safe space with the ability to take forward movement and have forward intention. If you're ready, click on the link and join the program now.